difficult to spread the paint, you can always add some water to your brush. It will help spread that paint. So just some straight white, not a ton. We just want to add a couple more highlights in there. Over here, you can add a couple like lines into the water itself. So I just added 2 there. Maybe I'll add another here. Just adding a little bit of that blue in here. So just a little there. You can also add a little bit into your sky. Not a lot, maybe just like 3 of them. There you go. So I added like 3 little bits of color. You can add a 4th one if you want. And then I'm gonna add some of this right into the water as well. So you can kind of follow along the curve of the lake. Do one that just is right here. It just kind of separates our fence. Maybe one over here.